Hello and welcome to Rick's Kits. This week on the bench I have Tamiya's 1/48 scale Lockheed P38 FG Lightning. Two schemes on this one is Miss Virginia and White 33. I went aftermarket and bought some extra decals. FG and H Lightning Collection Part 2. There's over nine aircraft in here. The instructions. You got Flip from Alt, based at Atcham, UK in 42. You got Pitapat, unknown base. Got Pudgy, based at Dobadura, Papua New Guinea. You have Oriole, based at Guadalcanal. Billy Joe Barfly, based in Italy, January 44. Tactical Centre in Florida. Major Harry Duff's Mackie at Doxell, UK. Got Snooks 4.5, based at Souk El Arbra, Algeria in 43. February at Cookenfield, Guadalcanal. I at Dobadura, New Guinea, and Pet2 at Triolo, Italy. I'm aiming to do Pudgy. So that's my aftermarket. Now let's see where I've got to, and this is where we're at. So I'm up at step 9. Bring the camera down a bit closer. So we've got a bit area started. It's not quite finished. At step 9 it's not finished, which is weird because you go onto all the wings and stuff. And then later on you come back to it in step 44 where you put the SCR 274 radio in and the seat. I can't see why Tamiya did it this way, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip, come straight to here, and then I'm going back. I'll need to put the canopy sector over the top. Painting. Yeah, so I'll be skipping to that and finishing up on the cockpit area. I was a little bit intimidated by this at first, amount of parts and seen on it, but actually not as bad as I thought. So that's where I'm at, and I'll see you in a bit. Welcome back. Okay, so we have got canopy on, and all of it stuck down just yet, but this is still removable. But we've got the rear and the front end of the canopy on. Not sure if we're going to be able to see it or not. You have to wait until the end, but the radio set's in there. We've got the seat in, and are we going to be able to get this way? And then we've got the gun sight. Focus. No, but we've got the gun sight in there as well. We've got the machine guns all mounted up in the front. So we obviously got the nose together, and we started both sides. Well, this part and this part on here, and this piece, and obviously the same on the other side. for the wing assembly. So it's starting to take shape. Fit on this kit is absolutely phenomenal, that's for sure. It's so well engineered. It's unbelievable. I've never built a kit like it, to be honest with you. I know I have done their Mark 1 Spitfire in 48 scale, and that was very good. I've got their G6 Messerschmitt BF109 G6 to do. But yeah, this is phenomenal as far as fit's concerned. It's amazing. And trust me, if you've got any fit issues with this kit, it's not the kit, it's you. So that's it for this week, unfortunately. Appreciate all you guys. I appreciate all my new subscribers. Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. Without you guys, you know, I wouldn't have a channel. And I appreciate all my old hands. So until next week, or the next video, should I say, thank you very much. See you in the next one. Bye for now.